Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Partnership. And today I will talk about impervious surface. So, what is impervious surface? So, what we are going to do is we are going to map impervious surface of a particular area. So, an impervious surface map shows areas where water cannot easily infiltrate into the ground, such as like road, building and rooftops, parking lots, concrete pavements and industrial yards, and so many other things, right? And what are then pervious surfaces like soil, grass, agricultural land, forest, and open green spaces? That's why nowadays we are frequently hearing the word called nature-based solutions, and like so means grow the trees and lot of we are adopting many things which are not related to concrete, right? To recharge the groundwater. So this is very this topic is very important for all the modelers and water resources engineers who are working in this area. So why this is important? Because this is helpful for estimate stormwater runoff, delineate urban catchment more realistically, flood and waterlogging studies, or the modeling like SWMM and HMS modeling and other models also, groundwater recharge assessment, urban heat island studies, master plan applications, and all. So how we will do it? So basically, there are many things how we will do that. One is Sentinel-2 imagery, high resolution aerial imagery, or drone imagery, or we can use other images also. But if it is high resolution, then it is more useful and maybe better, right, to do the map. But sometimes this cost involved in drone and other procurement of high resolution aerial imageries. But at least you can by using open source satellite images, Sentinel-2 or other images, it will help you. It will give a broad idea about the pervious or impervious surfaces. So, what methodology we will use? Supervised classification, random forest, and AI and deep learning models and spectral indices such as NDBI. So, in my previous videos, I have showed you how to do the supervised classification. Random forest means this is the machine learning algorithm. And of course, I need to do AI and deep learning models. But here, this video is mainly for the spectral indices such as NDVI. So this is what I have taken my. So I have written code here. I will go directly at the Google Earth engine so that you will have better understanding. So what we have done is that we uh, we have to define area. You can, if you have any area save file or any administrative unit, or it all depends on you. Then you can use that also from here, right? Where we have to do means go to assets, then we can upload your save file here, or geo means all the data here, boundary file if you have. Otherwise you can do directly from here, right? So I did directly from here. This is my study area. How I generated, I took this one and just draw here, right? This one like this, right? So I will there are two polygons here. So one I have already, so this is I will delete it. So what I will do is I will delete it. So similarly I draw it. So then this is our AOI. So then we have to load our Sentinel-2 image. So this is the code for how to load the Sentinel-2 image. Because I have done this many times, you can see my earlier videos. So that's why I'm not right. I'm just copy paste from my course from here. So it will save our time also. So this is I have taken for the 2025. So then we have added it, right? So added means if you can see here. So this is I have added it. So this is the true color image. Then we have to do the this one is for the NDVI. So how for NDVI for Sentinel-2 we need this one. So I have written here. Uh, you can see for NDVI we need SWIR plus NIR divided by SWIR minus NIR. So for Sentinel-2, SWIR means B11, 11th band, and NIR means 8th band. So this is you can do that. So once after writing this, we have to add into here. So we have done this, right? This NDVI. Yeah. So you can see it may take some time. Yeah. So this is the NDVI image. So now from here we have to visualize the impervious surface. So how we will write? If pixel value is greater than 0.15, you can choose 0.10 also or 0.20. It all depends on your area. So then if you do this, then you will have this one impervious surfaces. You can see here. So you can see these white areas are the impervious surfaces. So how you can check the 0.10, 0.20 or 0.25. So you have to read means those published paper also how people take what value you have to take. I'm not the right person to tell you that okay you have to take, but I'm giving you the idea that how to do that, right? So this is my main objective. So this is the thing. So then after that we have to calculate the area. This is the code for area. So you can see we have to this is the pixel area basically. Then after that pixel area you have to calculate the area. Then you have to calculate in hectare. So you can see you have area in hectare. So you have to see how you have to print here. If you want to print, then you have to write similar kind of code above means this one, right? So I did not do because I only need hectare. So then we have to total area also. Then we have to percentage. So you can see here. So if you write this, then we have total area in hectare and impervious percentage also. So this is our percentage as well. So you can see this is the then we have to means I want to show it in better way. So yeah, we can say customize visualization, right? So you have to write this code and then you can see here. So it will come. So you can see. So I have taken brown and gray and red. So you can see here yellow. You can write yellow also, right? You can run it. So that's it. So this is what I wanted to show you. Maybe I will show you more detail. Means change detection means earlier and now. This will come in future. So means in next few videos I will show you that how to do that. So objective of this video is to how to conduct this kind of studies, means how to understand the impervious surfaces, because in urban area you have to understand how urban area is growing and where are the groundwater recharge point, where should be our recharge pits and all. So that's why it helped actually. So that's why because I'm working on water stress studies in see my videos. So that's why I thought it may be useful for you guys. So now you can see you can change these things. So your red color are the impervious surfaces and yellow are the pervious surfaces. But we cannot say that okay this is the exact one. So you have to add a lot of other things also like soil, and we have to classify this image also. So then only we can understand then how it is happening. So this is just a general process you can use in your study. Thank you.